Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the African Renaissance 20th anniversary concert. Please give a warm welcome for the dynamic Maskandi group, Kadasi and Maklinga.
We are going and higher. We are going and higher. We are going and higher. We are going and higher.
The story of Sophiatown is remembered through the music of artists such as Miriam Makeba and the Skylarks. In the 1950s, South Africa was the place to be, where all the writers, musicians, photographers, free thinkers of all races gathered.
Sophiatown was the place to be. That was until the dawn of 9 February 1955, when 2,000 troops shut Sophiatown down. The voice of South Africa, Ubaba
Vusi
Matasela.
Maibu ye Africa.